Okay, well, when I took the sides or the back off of that camper, there was these uprights, and they stuck all this silicone glue on it, and it's all got to come off. And they filled it up with plumber's putty, so that's all got to come off. All these pieces have to be straightened out, all the staples taken out of it. So it isn't going to be fun, but it's got to be done. And I'm the one who's got to do it. Did I tell you how much fun this is? I know I said I'll get back to you when it's all done. This is going to take a long time to do this. You know, YouTube makes everything look like it was done in 15 or 20 minutes. But I've been on it for days already. So, I don't think you want to see a slow-mo of this, or I can't even remember what you call it. Time-lapse, that's what it is, time-lapse. If you really enjoy this content, sorry. Anyways, if you enjoy this content, it wouldn't hurt if you just like the video. It'd really help me out and help the channel out. In Copenhagen long cut. It's the best. Anyways, if you'd help the channel out by liking that, it'd really be appreciated. Thanks. Okay, that was a lot of fun. Now let's move on to the panels and get the glue off of them and get them straightened out. Some more fun. Well, that should be pretty nice. Okay, still working at it. I don't know why anybody puts silicone all over everything. Always too much. But we'll get it off. Recycle the wood, recycle the wood. That's recycled. Take the staples out. Well, it appears I have ran out of 2x4s, or anything that resembles a 2x4. So, sorry about the noise. So I am going to take these boards, and Gorilla Glue them together and use one. Just don't tell anybody. And don't comment on it either. And more important than that, don't tell my son. Because he would not stand for that. All right, let's staple them together.
Well, that's all I got for you on this one. If you like to watch my videos, please like them. It is important that you like them. It is how I maintain the channel. And while you're at it, please hit the notification bell so you are ready for my next video, and God bless all.